Hi, my name's James Lay, Information Manager, Command Centre. I just want to do a brief introduction to a new Power BI app that is going live on the Insights platform with regard to UECC attendance analysis. This is the landing page with some further information. Now you have three options to view. You can view the last 28 days activity in UECC, the last 28 weeks, or the last 18 months. So if you select the option that you're looking for, just click on the button. This will bring up to midnight, right up to the previous day. You have some options. If you click on the panel at the side to open the window, you can select if you want to compare the previous Sundays for 28 days, and when you close the panel it will show you those days. If you don't select any of those options, it will show everything. You can select multiple options at the same time. If you hover over any particular day, it will give you a quick display of the arrivals throughout that day in UECC by the hour of the day. If you subsequently right-click on, you can then drill through to look at some more detail by selecting the daily only drill through option, and this will give you considerably more detail with regard to the attendance history for that day, the cumulative attendances. If you wish to look at those brought in by ambulance, simply select the option at the top, and that will tell you the hours in which ambulance attendants arrived. Again, you can look at individual metrics through the page, so you can look at the 0 to 19 age bracket arrivals, and if you press the control button and also select the majors work stream, and this is the final work stream in which the patients were in. So it gives you the option to look at those individual groups of patients. You have some other drill down options on here, which will allow you to look at the primary diagnosis for those known. It will always display the period that you're looking at. So for this particular day that we're looking at, for the admitted patients, you can see 5 patients were admitted for gastrointestinal conditions, and for the non-admitted, whilst we have a lot of diagnosis not classified, we did have 12 dislocation fractures and 12 respiratory conditions on that particular day. In addition, you can drill through to see the CCG by practice locations, and for that particular day you will see already highlighted there we have primary care patients arriving within 8 to 16, the dark blue being Rotherham CCG and light blue correlating to Doncaster CCG. This has the same functionality across lots of the other reports as well. So you can look at a weekly view, which again gives you some options to select down the left hand side should you wish to do so, and then if you hover over any particular day it will show the attendances by day over that particular period. Likewise, you can drill through to a weekly view which will show each day's attendances, and again you can very easily select the times at which ambulances came in, or the times at which the people that were subsequently admitted actually arrive. And finally, on the monthly, this will show the month to date if it's not a completed month, again with a pop out to show you the attendances over that month, or it will show the full month if it's a completed month. Again, if you right click on that, it will give you a drill through option, which will show the average attendances by hour in a heat map, and it will also show the attendances for that particular month in question. Again, you can look at ambulances by day, so everything is selectable. If you want to focus purely on the Monday position for ambulances, just click on Monday. So the full functionality is available, and as previously discussed, you can also select and drill through to see the CCG attendances by the actual patient location. And if you wanted to just look at those patients that were registered under a Sheffield CCG, simply click on the CCG and it will show the patient locations. And there's full functionality to select multiple. So we can see that in this particular month that Woodhouse Medical Centre had 20% of all the Sheffield CCG attendances, which was a count of 76. Simply go back, it'll take you to your origin page. So you have daily information, 28 days, weekly information by 28 weeks, and monthly information by the last 18 months. Should you have any queries or questions or want some further detail into this, you can contact me, and my details are on the first page, or you can contact me by Teams.